Today we are gonna make traditional authentic Kootu curry, which is specially made during Sadya time. Before starting the recipe, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button so that I can come up with more new recipes. Need to soak half cup of black chana overnight, and next day take a pressure cooker, add 1 cup of water and cook this chana by adding salt and little turmeric powder and chili powder. Cook it well for 3 to 4 whistles. And next step is to take yam and raw banana. For this curry I will be using 2 raw bananas. Peel it well and cut it into big pieces. Don't make very small pieces, otherwise all your pieces will be mashed and the curry will not be very tasty. In the same way, cut the yam also into big pieces. They cook very fast. So this is 2 banana and yam. Add the banana and yam in an open pan and add very less water. I am adding only half cup of water, and let's cook it for some time by adding some salt and turmeric and a little bit of chili powder. So next step is to take at least 5 to 6 tablespoons of coconut, grind it with some cumin seeds and make a fine paste out of it. Fine paste should look like this, and add this to your cooked yam and banana. Even add your cooked black chana also and mix it well and let all these things get cooked well, and let the vegetables blend in the coconut paste. Cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then you will see your curry will look like this. To this add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered jaggery. I am adding powdered jaggery in this Kootu curry because most of the Kootu curries are sweet in taste. If you don't like it to be too sweet, you can add only 1 tablespoon of jaggery. And let your curry cook for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's take a open pan, add some coconut oil, I'm taking at least around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and to this coconut oil add some mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splatter. Then I am adding around 2 tablespoons of split urad dal. This urad dal gives an extra nice flavor to your curry. Then 3 to 4 red chilies and lot of curry leaves. To this add around 3/4 of the grated coconut and roast it nicely. Keep stirring continuously till the coconut turns completely dark brown in color. Meanwhile, Our yam is cooked well and the banana is also cooked well and the curry is perfectly ready. Now fry the coconut. You can see it's turning its color into dark brown. Once it turns completely into dark brown, off the stove and add this mixture to your curry and stir it well. These roasted coconut will give you a nice flavor with an extra crunch of split urad dal. So our Kootu curry is almost ready. So enjoy the Kootu curry with your sadhya, and if you have liked this recipe, do like, share and subscribe with your family and friends. Thank you.